सेटा 15 नहीं डाटा दीटा पठा पड़े तो
Next one is Bohr's atomic model. So first we will go for postulates of Bohr's model. So we can divide the postulates into three parts. First one is nuclear concept. Second one is Bohr's quantization condition. Third one is Bohr's frequency condition. So, nuclear concept of Bohr's atomic model is taken from Rutherford's model. That means all the positive charge and almost all mass of the atom is concentrated in a small core called nucleus. So first thing is the central core nucleus. It has all positive charge and almost all mass. Now the negatively charged electrons revolve around the nucleus in some circular orbits having specific values of radius. So electron cannot revolve in any orbit. It can revolve in some specific orbits which have some specific values of radius. These orbits are called permitted orbits. And while revolving in permitted orbits, electron doesn't emit any kind of energy. So these permitted orbits are also called stationary orbits. So electron can revolve in orbits having some specific values of radius. These orbits are called permitted orbits. While revolving in these permitted orbits, electrons doesn't emit any kind of energy. That's why permitted orbits are also called stationary orbits. Next thing is the required centripetal force is supplied by electrostatic force of attraction between nucleus and electron. So Fc is equal to Fe. Next thing is Bohr's quantization condition. This is a very important part. It states that the angular momentum of electron while revolving in a orbit. So angular momentum equal to mvr. It is quantized. So L equal to mvr equal to nh by 2 pi, where n equal to, it is called principal quantum number. It can take values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinite. Only integers starting from 1. Now, if n equal to 1, we call it K cell. For n equal to 2, this is called L cell. For n equal to 3, that is called M cell. For 4, that is called N cell. Eta sabu tome chemistry janicho. M, mass of electron. V, speed of electron. R, radius of orbit. So jodi electron first orbit re revolve karuchi, then angular momentum will be h by 2 pi. Second orbit re revolve karuchi, it is equal to 2h by 2 pi, that is equal to h by pi. Third orbit re revolve karuchi, 3h by 2 pi. Fourth orbit re revolve karuchi, 4h by 2 pi, that is equal to 2h by pi. Again एटू क्वेश्चन पचारुची इलेक्ट्रॉन फिफ्थ ऑर्बिट रु नाइन्थ ऑर्बिट को जंप कला, व्हाट इज द चेंज इन एंगुलर मोमेंटम. तो फाइनली एंगुलर मोमेंटम केते हला 9h by 2 pi minus fifth orbit रे केते थिला 5h by 2 pi that is equal to 4h by 2 pi or 2h by pi. So एठी आइदर गोटे ऑर्बिट रे एंगुलर मोमेंटम पचरी परिबो और चेंज इन एंगुलर मोमेंटम पचरी परिबो. The last part is Bohr's frequency condition. So जेतेबेले जाय इलेक्ट्रॉन गोटे परमिटेड ऑर्बिट रे रिवॉल्व करूची it will not emit any kind of energy, but जेतेबेले इलेक्ट्रॉन गोटे हायर एनर्जी ऑर्बिट रु लोअर एनर्जी ऑर्बिट को जंप करूची it will emit energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation. आउ ए रेडिएशन रो फ्रीक्वेंसी जदी f हला then EH minus EL equal to HF, where H equal to Planck's constant, our value is 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. F, frequency of the radiation. So फ्रीक्वेंसी कंडीशन कौन कहूची जदी इलेक्ट्रॉन गोटे ऑर्बिट रु आ गोटे ऑर्बिट को जंप करूची हायर एनर्जी ऑर्बिट रु लोअर एनर्जी ऑर्बिट को जंप करूची इट विल एमिट एनर्जी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन. आउ ए रेडिएशन रो फ्रीक्वेंसी FLA EH minus EL equal to HF हबो. से बळिया जदी इलेक्ट्रॉन लोअर ऑर्बिट रु हायर ऑर्बिट को जंप करूची it will absorb that amount of energy. तो सही केस रे भी EH minus EL equal to HF हबो. नेक्स्ट थिंग जतेबेले इलेक्ट्रॉन गोटे ऑर्बिट रे रिवॉल्व करूची we can apply the laws of classical physics, but इलेक्ट्रॉन जतेबेले गोटे ऑर्बिट रु आ गोटे ऑर्बिट को जंप करूची सेतेबेले laws of classical physics valid नाही. सेतेबेले एई लॉ ही वैलिड EH minus EL equal to HF. So electron गोटे ऑर्बिट रु आ गोटे ऑर्बिट को मूव करूनी इट जंप्स फ्रॉम वन ऑर्बिट टू अनदर. दैट मींस आमे कहि परिबानी जे इलेक्ट्रॉन टा आसला बळे ए पाखरे कोठिला इलेक्ट्रॉन ए ऑर्बिट रे थिला नेक्स्ट ए ऑर्बिट को आसीबो इंटरमीडिएट कोठी भी रहि परिबो नाही काहे कि इलेक्ट्रॉन खाली परमिटेड ऑर्बिट्स रे ही एग्जिस्ट करि परिबो. So these are the postulates of Bohr's atomic model.